My country people are hello, and they welcome on football and pitching. After match, talk how you see them. Ghana 0 and Uruguay 2, and we get Oga Ose. We be like, Ogbonge person, Ogbonge football fan, make tell us about how we see this game. Oga Ose, at the end of the day, Ghana self, they don't make them to the next round. Uruguay 2 don't make them to the next round. But you as a football fan, now how you see this result, and also mostly talk about our brothers, Ghanaians, how you see their performance for inside this game.
I think for me, the first half they very poor. Ayew, the penalty I miss, very careless. He not they composed, so I played that penalty. I think that penalty na first kill Ghana morale for the first half. Yeah, so second half they come out, they see try play, but they're not good when it comes to scoring goals. But they won't play more than Uruguay for the second half. So you go like this, even as a combatant, it still makes sense. Now revenge for 2010. So I support this one. I like what Ghana do so.
You know, so when South Korea scored that goal, when Luis Suarez get the information too, he first don't go sweet time, first he can't cry. So that one sweet you say this at the end of the day, say Uruguay too, they no still cross based on more talk what happened from 2010 for South Africa they come and also say today they still break Ghana's screen guard. That one sweet you say Suarez too, the result still shock am.
For me, this event itself and sweet past 2010 own. 2010 own they win at least. But say Casper they can't win. They go next stage to go come out. But now they still win. They still come out. So this one I'm sweet past that last year. So as if he cry for nothing tomorrow, I'll do okay. But they don't go win before. I think who win here if you go meet either Brazil or which person. So you know guy don't win Brazil. Even if Ghana qualify, Ghana don't beat Brazil. Uruguay don't beat Brazil. Korea don't beat Brazil. But me they just still feel the pain small. Say yeah, look to arrange that and still pain people. Ghana and Nigeria will be one normally, so they're okay.
All right, now, guys, I want to ask you, all the games where you don't see so far for the World Cup, now which one you go to say, okay, now this match be the best match so far?
The menu.
Just score one.
Number one. Japan, Spain yesterday, did there. Costa Rica, Germany, did there. Belgium, Morocco. One of the toughest games so far. I'm not believe say Morocco fit play Belgium like that day. So this World Cup at least. The money Qatar spent not be for waste. The game so far, they're very unpredictable. So we'll enjoy the World Cup as they go like this.
Okay. For the World Cup, Africa still get two teams, Morocco and Senegal. Among those two teams, which of them you think say go far past?
But I dey rip for Senegal to win England tomorrow. I just feel say they win England.
With a shocking.
Yes, I feel. Then Morocco good. But I don't be predict their game with Spain. Spain are English team normally. Morocco na growing team, but I don't predict that one. But if I get money, I go bet to make Senegal beat England. And so my own prediction be.
Okay. I want to ask you now, with what you don't see so far for the World Cup, now which player don't stand out past? Which player you think say don't play past all the rest players so far for the World Cup?
So me one of the best players for Ghana, they are Mohamed Kudus. He just come out now. You know Hakim Ziyech, they perform very well. Not like Hakim Ziyech for Chelsea. People like say they play ball since. His fitness level excellent. That guy did. Gavi for Spain, they play very well. Some players they do very well. To be honest, they play very well. Even Ismail Assar for Senegal, they play very well. All the games so far they play. But Messi says he did them. See how Messi play against Poland, a man of the match. So hopefully, for the now, we never really know go become best player for the tournament. But those also are core. I know that among them, one will come outside. I mean, Messi still there. Yeah.
So with the teams where remain now, which team you predict say go win the World Cup?
Looking by experience, I'll go with Portugal and Argentina, then Brazil. I don't feel say France will win back to back. And those three teams, I feel say get squad if you play very well. Portugal, Brazil, Argentina. Out of the three, to me, one will go win.
All right, now, Oga Ose, thank you for your time. Your first shoot.